Hi, this is a short video on how to get around Khaos Control Cloud. The idea is to give you an introduction to the interface and how to use the system so that you can get the most out of your trial. In order to log on, you want to click on the link to the application from the sign-up email we sent you or come through from the Khaos Cloud website, and you're going to put in the client code, your username, password, and then you're going to pick the database you want to use. There are two options here. The demo database, which we're going to use today, is loaded with sample data that lets you get a feel for how Khaos Control Cloud is going to help your business. The live system is there for you to start using in anger. So all the data you set up and configure in there will go with you if you subscribe to Khaos Control Cloud as a live customer. So in terms of logging into the demo database, we leave it as is, and we click on sign in. So when Khaos Control Cloud first comes up, generally the first thing you'll get will be a dashboard. So I've got a couple of default settings here in terms of orders that I've taken so far this year in the demo system, and then invoice stages. So these are orders that are waiting to go out to our customers. Now, in terms of the layout of this screen, the other thing that you'll be displayed on logging in is our What's New area. So to the left of our dashboard, we get that What's New heading. This gives us an opportunity to kind of highlight to you things that have changed in Khaos Control Cloud, potentially since you last logged in or last tried it. It gives us a quick and easy way to link you to various blog posts that ourselves and the development team have written about the product to keep you up to date. And then we've got this notification area at the top as well. So that highlights special updates, new offers that are coming along. You'll notice at the minute it talks about our referral program that we're going to be unveiling soon. So in terms of the layout of Khaos Control Cloud, in addition to those areas, I'm going to start up on the top right-hand corner and then work anti-clockwise around the screen. So where we've got that admin drop-down, this is where we can log in to maintain our user account and settings, change things like the avatar, how we're looking at the interface in terms of enabling hints and animations and font sizes, as well as kind of setting up things like credit card integration for Sage Pay, user defaults and things like that. On top of that, we've also got access to things like help, shortcuts, sending feedback to our support team, and the ability to sign out. To the left of that, we've got our notifications bell. So if there are any updates to Khaos Control Cloud, the next time you log in, you're going to get a nice notification. You can then click on that and it will highlight on the right-hand side what's changed. We've also got our site. So Khaos Control Cloud allows you to store stock in a whole number of different sites. In our demo system at the minute, we've got 4 different warehouses set up. So we've set up an Amazon FBA, our Keystone warehouse for us, main site, and an in-transit warehouse. But there's no limit to the number of those that you can have set up in your instance of Khaos Control Cloud. In the middle at the top, we've got our action button. So this highlights the key actions that we can create as a user. So new sales order is often the most common thing, but if you want to create a new product, company record, a new return, and so on and so forth. To the left of that, we've got something that's unique to us, which is our shortcut command. So for people who are wedded to their keyboards, as we all should be, you can actually learn and then use shortcut commands for using Khaos Control Cloud. So for example, I want to create a new sales order as quickly as possible. I type so.new and it takes me straight into my new sales order process. So I'll start with picking a customer to create the order, and then we'll go from there. To the left of that, we've got our nice big KC heading. And if we click on that, that'll highlight all of the open documents in the system at the minute. So for example, if we were to open a company record and a sales order, we'll just turn the filter back there to make sure we get some back. And for example, a product, we can then access all of those records that we've got open really quickly by clicking on our KC button, and it shows us all of the documents we've got open at the minute. You'll notice that you've got that little 1 next to each of the screens we've got a record open in. So you can see you've got a sales order, a company record, and a product open straight away. We can move between those records using the All Open Documents section. I can also start working with another customer record as well at the same time. So there's no limit to how many different records you have open in Khaos Control Cloud at once. And as well as being able to click on the KC button and see everything, you can also expand out a specific element. So you can see that we've got 2 customer records open. We're looking at the police headquarters to Swansea at the minute. We can flick back to Madden's really quickly. And it makes navigation around the system incredibly simple and easy to use. At the end of that bottom bar, at the bottom, we've got our help button. So you can get to that help screen by clicking help here. We can also come across to our helper in the corner and click on her, and we've also got access off the admin menu as well. So help is always a click away, dead easy to use. In terms of that help screen, we can be searching through the bar at the top really quickly and then clicking through. We've also got hints, and then we've got the ability to contact the support team. And send that off to the team. So as we say, they're here 9 till 5 throughout the day. We can also email them direct via the support@khaoscloud.com, but obviously through the apps, probably the quickest way of getting in touch with the team. The final element of our help are the tours throughout the system. So at the minute we're in the sales order list screen. So if we click on our helper here, you can see that the help's context sensitive straight away. So it's saying, do you want to know what the screen is? So it's going to tell us about sales orders. It's saying, do you want to know what the list grid does? So it runs us through each of the columns in this grid and what they're doing. We've also got some how-tos, and these drill into actual tours of how to use the system. So you've got how to create a new sales order. It's then got a nice show me button. So we can click on show me, and it will take us through the various steps that are involved in creating a sales order. I hope that's given you a flavour of the demo system for Khaos Control Cloud and how to navigate around it and how easily you can use this to help your business run more efficiently. Check out our other videos where you'll learn how to create sales orders and purchase orders and much, much more.